That's the latest, in fact, which is coming in. Poulomi, thank you for joining us with all those details. I want to come back to Delhi because we are here at the iconic, as I said, the shadow of the Red Fort. The total number of cases in Delhi, and this is as per the Ministry of Health, but the numbers have been updated. 10,554, in fact, is the numbers which the Health Ministry of India says, 168 deaths. The latest that we have got, in fact, is that the numbers have already crossed in Delhi the 11,000 mark, with more than 500 cases being reported in just the last 24 hours. So a big spike in Delhi. Now, it's been 55 days that the city has been under lockdown. After the union government, the central government issued guidelines late on Sunday evening, the Delhi government has also now come up with their notification on what is open in Delhi, what are the differences, how life is different for the people in lockdown 4.0. Schools, college, malls, salons, barber shops are still shut. But what is now open are the markets. Markets in Delhi are open. I am, in fact, coming to you from one such market. But what is the situation of this market? I'll tell you later. Before that, the iconic Khan Market, right in the heart of the national capital, is open for business. There are people coming through. Few teething problems, odd even rule. But the Khan Market, which is quite famous, is now open in the national capital. I went there today to do a reality check of how things are working, what are the difficulties, and what are the very posh elite Khan Market crowd saying about this experience to come to the market after 55 days in the lockdown. Take a look at this ground report. It's the second day of the relaxations in the restriction all across the national capital. Markets have been allowed to open, and we are in one of the most iconic upscale market of Delhi, our very own Khan Market, right in the heart of South Delhi. Let's just try and get a sense of how this market is opening. Yesterday, the market opened for the first time, and you said that you were here as well.
Yes, you have to get your basic essentials, and what I have noticed is that half the stores are not maintaining. There's no distance between humans being maintained. Just to make money, they are letting people in on one top of the other. I went to Forest Essentials yesterday. There were 10 people inside the shop. Even if you don't have to get the virus, you will end up getting the virus.
So bookshops were open already. Bahari Sun is one of the iconic bookshops here in Khan Market. They have drawn these squares so that social distancing can be maintained. Let's just go inside, check it out, how things are, what kind of precautions are being taken. And also, it's been as I said, 55-day time before I have come out for shopping. I need some books. Possibly I can also get myself a book right now. So let's go inside. So, as I said, we are in the Bahari Sun bookshop, and Miss Rajni is here. She is the owner of the store. Now the market is opening slowly. It's second day after the restrictions have been lifted. Khan Market, one of the iconic place, always full of people. How different this whole 55 days have been?
The market has been shut. Most of the shutters have been down. It's been really odd. It's been like a ghost town, actually. And it's only in between that they opened essentials and the chemists and all. Bookshops opened a little bit after that. And now, since yesterday, we have a new arrangement where odd and even shops are opening. So we do have cars coming in. We have a little bit of footfall. And you can see small, people walking around with things. And there's some life coming back to the market.
Small steps towards normalcy being taken.
It feels good. it feels good.
So what is odd even? If you can explain to our viewers, is it the shop number
Yes,
just decides?
Yes, it is. So it's some shops have an odd number. Those are only allowed to open on the odd date of the month.
Yeah.
And even number shops are allowed to open only on the even date of the month. But then some stores have an A and a B.
Yeah.
So there's a little bit of confusion which
Okay.
day they should open.
Yeah.
So on a whole, people are not very happy. The market is not very happy with this arrangement.
Okay.
But in the interim, this is a good stopgap arrangement so that at least the shops get a chance to open and start doing business again after a very long shutdown.
Okay, so bookshops were open, but anyway, I wanted a bookshop come to a market after a long time. And first thing done in Khan Market. Let's move on. Most of the restaurants, the eateries, the bars at Khan Market still are closed. Many have just opened the delivery, but largely, if you look at it, the famous eateries of the Khan Market, the nightlife of the Khan Market will remain closed for some time. So odd even has kicked in, post-corona world realities in Khan Market. And slowly it seems to be coming back to business, coming back to some sort of normalcy. Many of the shops which are not open today would be open tomorrow, and this system is going to continue with a lot of social distancing measures and precautions being taken in few shops. There are customers, those who are happy, some also unhappy because few of the shops, according to them, are not following the exact norms that they should be. This is the story of one of the most iconic markets in Delhi. From one famous market to the other iconic one, this is the Chandni Chowk market. So the upscale Khan Market is open. What's the situation here at the Chandni Chowk market? Let's give you a very quick live update. All these shops that you see, and this is one of the busiest market across the entire Asian region, these shops are closed. On a normal day, I would not be able to stand here and, the crowd would actually take me wherever they are, whichever way the direction they are going. There are two reasons for these shops not opening. Number one is this construction work that is going on. It's just this patch which is ready near the Red Fort. Behind this, the entire area is still dug up, still cordoned off. And that is why a lot of people, a lot of shop owners have not been able to open their shops. So they have been in a lockdown. For the last 55 days, business is still largely impacted here in the Chandni Chowk area. If you go a little further, the wholesale market of Khari Bavli and others, they are also functioning. Only a few shops are open. Rest, largely, the Chandni Chowk market remains closed. Apart from that, the government of Delhi had announced that they are going to open the public transport. DTC buses, autos, Uber, all that is back on the road. I decided to take a ride across Delhi using all the available means of public transport to see whether the guidelines which the government of Delhi has prescribed are being followed and what are the issues that these cab aggregators, auto rickshaws are facing. Take a look. भैया मंडी हाउस तक चलेंगे?
हाँ
चलेंगे. So let's try and see what is happening in an auto. अच्छा ये बताइए कि अभी सरकार ने क्या क्या बोला है आपको करने के लिए, इंतजाम क्या करने के लिए बोला है सवारी बैठाने से पहले?
लगाना है सैनिटाइजर.
आपको मास्क लगाना है?
हाँ.
और अगर सवारी मास्क ना लगाए तो?
सवारी भी मास्क लगाएगी, उसको ही बैठा लेंगे जो मास्क लगाएगा.
जो मास्क नहीं लगाएगा उसको नहीं बैठा लेंगे?
उसको नहीं बैठा लेंगे.
Okay, there I go. Sanitize my hands. कैसे गुजारा चल रहा था?
2 महीने हो गए, 2 महीने से खाली बैठे हुए हैं.
गुजारा कैसे चल रहा था?
गुजारा ऐसे चल रहा था, केजरीवाल जी ने 5,000 रुपए दे दिए एक तो अकाउंट में. दूसरा राशन वगैरह दिया है उन्होंने 2 महीने का फ्री.
सरकार ने मदद करी है
जी केजरीवाल जी ने।
अब शुरू हुआ है ऑटो का, तो काफी सारे ऑटो वाले नाराज भी हैं। एक सवारी से कैसे काम चलेगा? कैसे
सवारी से काम नहीं चलेगा सर जी।
हाँ।
एक तो वैसे ही काम नहीं है, सवारी मिलती भी है तो 2 या 3 सवारी मिलती है, तो एक सवारी से तो होगा नहीं।
हाँ।
या तो 3 सवारी तो होनी चाहिए, 2 या 3।
बस मुझे यहीं छोड़ दीजिए। That's it. My journey is done in this auto. So autos are plying on the road. They are being cautious. Mask is, the auto driver is wearing the mask. He's asking passengers to wear the mask. Hand sanitization is being done. So certain norms are being followed inside the buses. According to the guideline, not more than 20 people can travel in a bus. कितने लोग एक बार में आप बैठा रहे हैं बस में?
18 सवारी।
18 सवारी। इनके देखें 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12। So 12 passengers right now, 12 सवारी हैं and a driver and a conductor. क्या क्या आप लोगों को एहतियात बरतने के लिए बोला गया?
हर सवारी मास्क लगा के चढ़ेगी और डिस्टेंस से चढ़ेगी।
Social distancing has been maintained and I'll show you a few seats. There is do not sit here. So they have crisscrossed the seats. You can't sit on this one, you have to sit on this one. The other person sits not on this one but that one. So diagonal seating arrangement has been done. Let's just try and understand what are the challenges that the drivers and the staff in fact is facing on this. कितना आप लोगों के लिए कठिन है पहले से काम? खुद भी मास्क पहनना पड़ता है, ध्यान रखना पड़ता है कि लोग मास्क पहन के चढ़े?
पहनना पड़ता है, ध्यान भी रखना पड़ता है हर एक को। हाँ, हर एक को।
कितने लोग चढ़ रहे हैं
और कितने चढ़ रहे हैं, मास्क लगा रखा है, नहीं लगा रखा है, वो भी चेक करना पड़ता है।
जब आप लोग शुरू करते हैं अपनी शिफ्ट तो आप लोगों को भी थर्मल स्क्रीनिंग वगैरह और सैनिटाइज वगैरह करके होता है? कैसे होता है?
सैनिटाइज करते हैं गाड़ी भी और सारी सब कुछ करके वहाँ
सब कुछ। बस के आने से कुछ सहूलियत हुई है आप लोगों को? बस चल पा रही है आपके रूट पे?
हाँ जी सर, चल तो पा रही है बट थोड़ा वेट करना पड़ता है 1-1.5 घंटे के लिए।
फ्रीक्वेंसी कम है अभी?
हाँ जी,
कम बसेस आती हैं?
यस सर।
बाकी सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग वगैरह का पूरा फॉलो करते हैं बस के
हाँ
अंदर?
जी सर, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग का तो बहुत।
Okay, so I'm trying to book myself a cab. I've just from Khan Market, I'm going to South Extension. Here comes my Uber cab. जी,
कोई गाड़ी में बैठने से पहले मेरे पास सामान है ये पूरा, इसको मैं इस करके इसके संभालना है। पूरी गाड़ी में करके मैंने हैंडल फर्स्ट हैंडल वगैरह पे,
हाँ।
और इसके बाद संभालना है। और जब वो उतरते हैं जाते हैं उसके बाद फिर जो भी नया कस्टमर आता है उनको उतरने के बाद फिर मैं दोबारा मारता हूँ। अगर वो कहते हैं हाथ पे चीज उनको देता हूँ, मैं आगे पीछे जो भी है मैं पूरा गाड़ी करता हूँ।
चलिए फिर आइए चलते हैं। So let's take a ride into the Uber cab which has just been sanitized. Uber ने आपको कोई ट्रेनिंग वगैरह दिया, कुछ बताया कि किस तरीके से गाड़ी आपकी चलनी चाहिए? क्या क्या बताया उन्होंने?
मैसेज आते हैं ट्रेनिंग के अंदर,
हाँ।
हमें बताया जाता है कि आपको ऐसे से गाड़ी चलानी है। और जो है अब जो कस्टमर गाड़ी बैठते हैं उनसे जो बोलो कि अपने सैनिटाइजर अगर है उनके पास तो ठीक है, अदरवाइज अब हमको दिया हुआ है और हमको हाथ जो है सैनिटाइज करते हैं।
अच्छा।
उसके बाद अगर एसी की बात आती है तो एसी में ये है कि अगर आपको एसी चलाना है,
हाँ।
तो जो ये बाहर का ब्लोअर है उसको खोल दीजिए आप,
हाँ।
और से आप इस चला सकते हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। लेकिन अगर आपको इस चलाना है तो शीशा बंद करके जो भी है।
कस्टमर आपके मान जाते हैं बिना एसी के जाने में?
हाँ, तकरीबन मान जाते हैं, लेकिन कुछ लोग आते हैं जो बोलते हैं कि एसी चलाओ, लेकिन हम अगर वो कहते हैं कि एसी चलाना है और हम मना करते हैं। अगर वो कहते हैं चलाना है तो हम चलाते हैं ब्लोअर खोल करके,
अच्छा।
अदरवाइज हम शीशा खोलते हैं।
So my taxi ride is done. Thank you अजय जी।
Thank you, sir.
आप ट्रिप एंड कर दीजिए यहीं पर। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।
थैंक यू सर।
Since I pay through a card, so it will be automatic. Thank you so much. So let me very quickly reiterate. Tomorrow, if you want to hail a cab, there are some checklists that you should know that Uber, Ola, and other cab aggregators have in fact employed, and what you should be doing. So, what is a checklist for the cab drivers? Whenever they come, that they have to sanitize the car before each trip. They have to sanitize their hands. Air conditioning only on the fresh mode. They have to follow safety protocols or face action. Driver has to also upload a picture wearing the mask on the app before the trips. I did not check this. I should have. Meanwhile, what are the checklists for the passengers? It is compulsory to wear the mask if you want to travel. Otherwise, the driver can in fact refuse you the trip. Apart from that, the riders have to handle their own luggage. No pool rides, no passengers allowed to sit in front with the driver, only 2 passengers allowed, and check trip if drivers is without the mask. You can cancel the trip, and you are also not allowed to, in fact, remove the mask without till the times you are in the entire journey.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.